If you want to add a payment method to your Google account, this is how you do it. So open up your browser, then go to Google. Make sure you are logged into your Google account. So if you have not, just log into your Google account. Once you have logged in, click on your profile, which is on your top right there. And from there, select manage your Google account. So click on it and this will take you to this screen here. So now on your left side menu here, scroll down, you will see payment and subscription. Click on the payment and subscription section here. So you'll get to this page here. So now select manage payment methods. Click on it and then this will take you to the payments page here. So once you're on the payment methods page here, all you have to do to add a payment method is simply click on add payment method. So click on it and it's going to ask you for example, if you want to add a card, so it's going to ask you for the card details and everything. So click on it and then plug in those card details and everything and then hit on save, and your payment then your payment card or details will be added here. So once you have added it, you will see that it pops up under here. And that's pretty much it. It's a very straightforward process.